Hello traders, welcome to another tutorial. This is Demo Churches from the Minority Trader. And in today's tutorial segment, we're gonna look at some few backtesting on few of the trade that we took out in this week. And after the backtesting, I'm gonna take you live into the market and you see how we approach the market and we waited patiently for the opportunity to come for us to do the market execution. So the first trade that we're gonna look out is on Euro AUD. And before we continue, if you the first time you come across this channel, kindly consider subscribing. And if you believe this channel is creating value to you and seeing how you see your trade channels differently, please don't just watch, give a like, comment down below, and let's engage to help the algorithms to reach out to many other traders. So before we get to start and wasting much of your time, always remember the market starts with accumulation, no matter what. After the accumulation, you wait for your pattern and setups in line with your directional bias. I'm not going to look at the bigger picture on how to identify your directional bias. That will be a video on the next chapter, but I'm going to be more specific on what type of pattern and setups to look out for during the New York market open. I only trade during the New York market open. That is when we look for our trade opportunities. So let's play this out and see how you will have identified that pattern after it has already happened. Right? So that is the start of the Asian box. This is the Asian box that starts from 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. in the morning. So as price is playing around that Asian box, right, we'll wait and see how price will be behaving coming out of the Asian box. And this pattern can be traded during the London session as well. Right now, that is the end of the Asian session, and price is starting to come out of the Asian session. London market has just opened. So at this point in time, let me just illustrate. This is the Asian session here. You're looking for your accumulation of area where market is accumulating contracts like this, right? And you already have your directional bias clear. You're either looking for price to come back below the Asian range. London creates the first leg, market pulls back. When the New York market opens, they come back and give you the second leg at these levels here. So at this point here, you'll be looking for the shift of price going back up, bullish like that. All right, so you're looking to enter the market at the second leg. This is the second leg here that has been created by the dealers. This is the start of the second leg going back up. This is the first leg. This is the pullback and the shift inside here. This inside here, there is no trade opportunity inside here. Your only trade opportunity comes on from this second leg here. And you're waiting for specific candlestick patterns at this level here for you to engage it for a buy opportunity going back up bullish. Right, so let's keep playing this and we see how the market is behaving. Right. Right, so we see the market has given us the first leg, which is here. And you come across and put your markup like this and say this is the London lows. Market has created the London lows here. So what you'll be waiting for is, that being the first leg there, what you'll be waiting for is when price gets back to these levels here, this is where your interest is going to be, right? You wait patiently for price to come back to these levels here. And once price breaks this level here, your level of interest gets more, because this is where you're going to get your buy opportunity from these levels here. Market shifts going back up bullish in that direction. They can either break these London lows to give you a new lows, right, like that, and they shift the price, or price can just close at these lows here, just spike these lows here, give you a candlestick pattern at these levels here, either bullish engulfing candle, a morning star, a shift candle, right? Cord of wood, a railway road track. Those are the type of candlestick patterns you'll be looking out for on this second leg here of this W. Right, so let's wait and see how this one will play out. right? Price is coming back to those levels there. Right, now look at the timing. The timing is 9:45. Remember, the market opened at 8. New York market opened at 8 at this place here. You had no opportunity for you to engage it for 8. When price gets back to these levels here, this is where your point of interest comes in, right? So at this point in time, the market has arrived to our area of interest where we will be wanting to look for a buy opportunity from this level here. So we do not have an entry candlestick pattern to confirm our entry. We still have to wait and get those confirmations before we do a market execution, or you can set your pending orders at either at this highs here. You can set your pending orders at this candle there, or you can set your pending orders anywhere near here. So as the market will be driving up, they'll activate your pending orders from these levels there if you're not able to do a market execution. So let's see how this market is going to behave. Right, you see that candle spike down below there, and spike with the spikes. It's not closing below. All right, this candle here now gives you a confirmation that there's a likelihood this market is going to go bullish. So this is a morning star candlestick pattern. These three candles, this one here, this one here, and this one here, gives you a potential. All right, this candle here gives you a potential low of the day buy opportunity on the second leg, right? So at this point, you can accept the risk depending on how far this candle has closed, and your stop loss will go at least 20 pips below these lows here. All right, so we go here, we look and see if that is the close of that candle, right? We are anticipating this price to go back up at least, right? At least back to these highs here. I don't know why that is not moving, but at least back to these highs here. This is your first take profit you're gonna look to take out of this market. Let's see if this one will be able to move. I don't know why it's sticking. All right, but your target is to get at least 50 pips or 30 pips out of the market. So let's play this and see if we're gonna get something out of the market. Right, see that shift of that price, and your TP is taken out one time. If you are looking for 30 pips, 20 pips, whatever amount of pips you were taking out, your point is to look for this second leg and wait for the confirmations, entries, and enter the trade. So even if you set your pending orders, you could still be activated in the market. I hope this tutorial helps you understand what we look for. Let's go to the live market so that you can be able to experience the same thing, what we're looking out for. This is inside MT5, and these are the entries we have in MT5, right? Just the same tutorial that I've shown you, but let's go to trading view and see the process. This one, if they come back here, give us a second leg, confidently we'll take it, we'll accept the risk. Coming to our level of interest. Trading is one part technicals and the other part psychological, and it's important we take time to invest in our mind and psychology. That is where the battle begins, and that is where the battle is. The mind is what we bring to the marketplace, and the mind is the only one thing that we can take control of. So Euro AUD has established the things that we discussed in our tutorial. It is time to take action. We are in. Let the battle begin.
battle has been won, trusting the process each step by step. And if you like this tutorial, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification, and let's meet in the next video.